Hi friends, welcome back to another Crafty Kids TV. You've heard of clear slime, but have you heard of instant clear slime? I'm going to show you how to make instant clear slime. Pour 1 cup of hot water in a measuring bowl, then add in 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix well. Mix until the solution becomes clear again. Grab another measuring bowl for your clear glue and add in about 150 to 200 ml of clear glue. Pour slowly and on the side of the cup. This will ensure no bubbles get into the mixture. Next, add in about 3 tablespoons of saline solution. Again, mix really slowly. We don't want any air bubbles to come up. It's starting to turn into clear slime already. Now let's add our baking soda mixture into it. Just quickly remove the last of the air bubbles in the mixture. Now pour in your glue mixture slowly into the baking soda water. The baking soda is going to activate the clear glue instantly. You can see the mixture is already getting thick. Now again, let's mix it really slowly to ensure all the glue and the baking soda mix well together. Check out this crystal clear slime. Grab it out of the container and put it on a clean surface. You can play with it how it is or add pretty accessories to your slime like I did. It's so satisfying to play with. I love clear slime. After you've played with it, it will become cloudy, so just put it in an airtight container and wait for it to become clear again. Thanks for watching.